As always, check out my book. Info is in the description below. Tiny house heaters from Envy, eheat.com. That link's also below. And free shed plans from the Jamaica Cottage Shop in Vermont.
Hey, what's up, guys? Deke, RelaxShacks.com. A lot of people have been asking what happened to Deke. We haven't seen a video from him for a while. Was he kidnapped, abducted by aliens? Is he lost in a desert isle somewhere? No, I'm here. I've been very busy, and that's one of the reasons I haven't posted videos in almost a month and a half, which is crazy how time flies. First of all, hope you guys had a fantastic New Year, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all that. I did. I'm very thankful for the time I get to spend with family and all that. So that's one of the things I was doing. There's a bunch of other stuff going on, but I've been very busy, especially with custom artwork stuff for people and kind of finalizing and outfitting my mess of an art studio here in my backyard. And setting up a couple other cool things. Now this video here is not super exciting. I know this is more an informational one to promise you that we have lots. Bear with us, stick with us, subscribe, keep leaving comments, it helps. But we have lots of tiny house tours, treehouse tours, DIY videos, roadside salvage videos, flea market flipping videos, all that under the Relax Shacks banner coming up. I promise you that. You'll be seeing lots more from us. Still doing a lot of stuff with my band. That's not really that important, but check that out if you're not aware. I also front, among 50 other projects, a very aggressive heavy metal band by the name of Inverter. All the descriptions to anything I'm talking about are down below. But what I really want to share with you guys is coming up, because a lot of people have asked and had so much fun last time. We're having another hands-on workshop. There's no better way to learn anything in the trade, framing, tool usage and such, if you're looking to possibly build your own tiny house or whatever, than by actually doing it. Not reading about it in a boring old dusty textbook, not going to some workshop where you're sitting looking at a PowerPoint presentation in a hotel ballroom and bored to death, not taking an online course. All those things have their merits, sure, but the best way is to learn by doing, to make your mistakes on our time with our materials. So we're having another workshop. It's going to be coming up May 1st, 2nd, 3rd in Joshua Tree, technically 29 Palms, where I bought a former RV park once upon a time, 5 acres of land, and I'm a big fan of kind of making trash into treasure. It's a beautiful, especially at night, the sunsets, beautiful piece of land, but a lot of people have illegally dumped on it for many years. So we've been cleaning that up. And what you're seeing here in this clip is, this is what it looked like about a year ago. It's gotten much nicer since. So we're slowly cleaning up this piece of land and building some cool structures and art pieces and whatever on it. It's our playland of experimentation. And it's kind of fun. I don't know, that was like I don't know what that was. It's like the weird Kung Fu Eco Claw of Doom. So if you want to join us, make your mistakes on my land, and learn while doing it, now is your chance. May 1st, 2nd, 3rd. It's going to be a limited number of students. It's going to be very small. We like to keep them that way too. It's not a cattle call. It's very intimate. We're going to be building a cabin, all of us together. You're not going to be sitting around just hearing about building a cabin. You'll be doing it. And maybe a couple of side projects involving some salvage materials and such. Going to be live demos, guest speakers. You can camp out. All the talks are by fires at night by our van conversion. And it's really, believe me, it's a lot of fun. And a very cool, foreign, bizarre landscape where, as I mentioned before, the sunsets and the night sky is just breathtaking. So if you want to join us, all the info is at RelaxShacks.com, or all the info is down below in the description. We also have Tiny House Summer Camp 8. I can't believe it's the 8th one we're doing, up in Vermont in September 2020. Wow, it's the first time I've uttered that out loud. 2020, we're doing that. We've been doing these workshops, believe it or not, since 2010 or 9. So you're in good hands. We've done lots of these. They're a lot of fun. We get a lot of people that sign up, re-sign up again and again, because each time the project is different. So join us in Joshua Tree. That's the next one coming up May 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Like I said, I promised you guys. And again, thank you. Here's to looking forward in 2020. Lots more tiny house videos in the way. Lots more treehouse videos and all that other stuff I mentioned. I sincerely appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, checking out my videos, sharing them, all that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope to see you guys on the road, on the building site, or at some of the festivals. Take care.